Good morning, year six, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. We're going to warm ourselves up mathematically with an imposter board. You're going to have a little look and see if you can find the two imposters that are here. So you've got a series of questions. So you've got a quarter of 360. You've got 2.34 times 1,000. You've got 45.22 at 3.832. You've got 3 times 5 times 2, and you've got 4/15 take away 2/30, 564 take away 9, 776 divided by 8, and 8 take away 2.75. So you will need your purple book, you'll put the short date, and you'll calculate these to see if you get the same answer as here. If you don't, then you've probably found an imposter, but always double check you're working out. So a quarter, remember that we divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. Straightforward, it's just going to, you've got the 3 zeros here, so you need to move your digits 3 places. Okay, it's getting bigger, so the number should be getting larger. Then just make sure that if you need any zero the hero placeholders to make sure that all of your digits line up and you can do your addition here. Then over here, butterfly method, we've got 2 different denominators, so make sure you use the butterfly method. Then take away, straightforward, perhaps take away 10, then add 1. And here, straightforward division. And then the bottom one, you've got 8, take away 2.75. I would do 8.00 take away 2.75 there, and then all your digits are lining up and you're going to be able to get the correct answer. Okay, so pause the video and have a go. Find me the imposters. Okay, year 6, how did you get on? Did you find the imposters? Well, if you were clever, you'd have spotted white is our first imposter because a quarter of 360 is 90, not 80. And then pink was the other missing, was the other imposter, sorry, because 8 take away 2.75 is not 5.15 but 5.25. So good luck if you found both of those imposters. Okay, let's have a look at what our main activity is looking like today. So we are going to be looking at column subtraction today. And can I use column subtraction to subtract larger numbers? Okay, so we are going to be having a look at how we set it out, remembering some of the tips that we need to do when we're following subtraction. Now, it isn't tricky, it's just a case of being very logical and making sure you double check your calculations. All right, so I'm going to do some examples with you, and then I'm going to set you some examples to do yourself, to warm yourself up with it before you have a little look at a page in your book. So 1 take away 4 we can't do, so we need to knock next door. Now we've got 11 take away 4, we can do that, that's 7. But we've left with 1 take away 3 here, we can't do that, so we've got to knock next door. Lots of exchange and borrowing going on here. So 11 take away 3 we can now do, that's 8. So now we've got 2 take away 9, we can't do that, so we've got to knock next door again. 12 take away 9 is 3. 3 take away 3 we can now do, hurrah! And that's 0, and then 7 take away 1 we can do, and that's 6. So, phew, that was a hold on to your hat subtraction, wasn't it? And it's 60,387. Let's have a little look at another one then. So 3 take away 0, I can do that because 3 is at the top. Okay, so 3 take away 0 is 3. 1 take away 2, I can't do that, so I knock next door. 11 take away 2 is 9. 3 take away 1, I can do, that's 2. 2 take away 3, I can't do, so I'm going to knock next door. 12 take away 3 is 9, and 4 take away 2 is 2. So I end up with 29,293. Okay, so on the board, I have got some questions for you to have a go at. So I would like you to have a go at these 4 on the board here. Okay, this one here, 32,653, take away 18,341. 53,145, take away 32,672. Then 85,913, take away 33,575. And finally, 29,314, take away 13,023. It's nicely set out for you, so you haven't got to worry about getting digits in the right place. You just need to copy them into your books really carefully and then have a little go, and we'll check to see how you did. Pause the video, have a go at the questions. Okay, year 6, how did you get on then? Well, let's see. Let's have a go at them, shall we? So 3 take away 1 is 2, 5 take away 4 is 1, 6 take away 3 is 3, 2 take away 8 we can't do, so we knock next door. 12 take away 8 is 4, and 2 take away 1 is 1. We end up with 14,312. Okay. Did you get that? Hopefully you did. Let's have a look at the next one then. So 5 take away 2 is 3. 4 take away 7 we can't do, so we're going to knock next door. 14 take away 7, 7. Now we've got 0 take away 6. We can't do that, so we're going to knock next door. 10 take away 6 is 4. 2 take away 2 is 0. 5 take away 3 is 2. 20,473. Whoa, okay, the last 2 to have a go at. So let's have a look. I'm just going to move the board up just a little bit so we can do them. Okay, so 3 take away 5. I can't do, so I'm knocking next door. Now I've got 10. 13 take away 5 is 8. 0 take away 7 can't do, knock next door. 10 take away 7 is 3. 8 take away 5 is 3. 5 take away 3 we can do is 2. And 8 take away 3 is 5. So we've got 52,338. Hopefully you got that one. And then your last one, let's see if you went out with a bang. We've got 4 out of 4. So 4 take away 3 we can do. So we've got 1 left. 1 take away 2 we can't. So we knock next door. 11 take away 2 is 9. 2 take away 0 we can do because the 2's at the top. So that's 2. 9 take away 3 we can also do, and that's 6. Finally, 2 take away 1 is 1. So we've got 16,291. Did you get all of those correct? So we are now going to have a little look at some problems. Okay, because it's great being able to use column subtraction, but we need to really be able to solve problems and use it in context. Okay, it'd be great if it was just all straightforward column subtraction, but it isn't. Sometimes we have to do a little bit of thinking. So what I've got is I've got a problem on the board. It says it's 10,553 miles from London to Sydney. It's 9,929 miles from New York to Sydney. How much further away is Sydney from London than from New York? So what we've got to do is have a look at the question. How much further away is Sydney from London than from New York? So we've got those 2 numbers there. Those are 2 totals of miles. So we've got to subtract them to find out how much further away it is from Sydney is from London than New York. So we're going to start off, we've got 10,553,
I'm going to make sure I've got my digits in the right order. So I'm going to go backwards, and I always find this helps me. So I'm going to start with the ones for this one. So I've got 9 ones, 2 tens, 9,000, and 900, and then 9,000. So I always know I'm in the right spot. Okay. So I'm doing a takeaway. So I put that to remind me. That's what I'm doing. And now I can do my little calculation. So 3 take away 9 I can't do, so we're not next door. 13 take away 9 is 4. 4 take away 2 is 2. 5 take away 9 I can't do, so that's 9, and I've got I've added my 10 there. So 15 take away 9 is 6. And then 9 take away 9 is nothing. So it's 624 miles further from London than from New York. So we've worked that out. It's 624 miles further away. Okay, so let's have a little look at another problem then. So a family has got £22,658 in the bank. They spend 3,600 of it on a holiday. Not at the moment, but you never know. And then how much money do they have left? So let's do our calculation then. So we've got 22,658. That's what they started with. Okay. But then they ended up spending 6,300 on a holiday. So again, I'm going to go backwards. So I'm going to go 0, 0, 6, 3, and I know I've got my digits in the right place then. So here we go. Do my calculation. 8 take away 0 is 8. 5 take away 0 is 5. 6 take away 6 is 0. 2 take away 3 I can't do, so I'm going to use one of those. Here we go. 12 take away 3 is 9, and then I've got 1 there. So they have got £19,058 left in the bank. Okay, let's have a little look at what I want you to do today then. So you are going to do page 9 in your booklet, book 5, page 9, and you're going to do all of the questions that are there. Okay, you're going to do the whole page today, and then you're going to have a little look at this challenge. Okay, because you're doing lots of maths on your page today, I'm going to I've just given you this one little question, okay, for your challenge. So says Mr. Hall has written these subtractions on the board. So Rosie works out the subtraction. That's what she comes up with. Okay. Whitney has a go at this one, and she comes up with this answer. So what you've got to do is look carefully at Rosie's and Whitney's working out, and you need to spot and explain the mistakes that both of the girls have made. So their answers are incorrect, but why are they incorrect? So you may spot that there's been no exchange gone on. Okay, we've not borrowed because they've missed that, and they've done, they might have done 0 take away 2 is 2. All right. They might have forgotten they might have just made an error with their calculation. So they might have done 8 take away 5 and come up with the answer 4, okay, instead of 3. So you need to work these out in your own, in your purple books, and then you can spot what errors the girls have made, what errors Rosie and Whitney have made, and then you can explain them. So what mistakes has Rosie made? What has Whitney made as well? All right, so good luck with your work today. I'm sure you are going to do splendidly in your book,
and looking forward to seeing what mistakes you spot for Rosie and Whitney. Bye, everybody. Have a lovely Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.